To fix Shopify not working on Safari, start by checking your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working properly. Next, try restarting your Safari browser to see if this resolves the issue. If the problem persists, clear your browser cache and cookies by going to Safari Preferences, clicking on the Advanced tab, and selecting the Show Develop menu in Menu Bar option. Then, click on Develop, followed by Empty Caches. Another step is to check for any conflicting browser extensions by going to Safari Preferences, clicking on the Extensions tab, and disabling any recently installed extensions. You can also try resetting Safari to its default settings by going to Safari Preferences, clicking on the Advanced tab, and selecting the Show Develop menu in Menu Bar option. Then, click on Develop, followed by Reset Safari. Additionally, ensure your Safari browser is up to date, as outdated browsers can cause compatibility issues with Shopify. You can check for updates by going to the Apple menu and selecting System Preferences, followed by Software Update. If you are using a Mac with an M1 chip, ensure you are using the correct version of Safari for your device. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try using a different browser to access Shopify, such as Google Chrome or Firefox, to see if the problem is specific to Safari. You can also try contacting Shopify support for further assistance, as they can provide more specific guidance and troubleshooting steps tailored to your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and get Shopify working on Safari. Remember to always keep your browser and operating system up to date to prevent similar issues in the future.